Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to present about our design process of our project, which is called Rescue Kit, the Flood Emergency Rescue Backpack. So let me introduce our team members. Our team leader is Muhammad SYARIFUDDIN bin SAIDI, and our team product designer Muhammad Amzar bin Makno, and leader assistant AMMAR bin AMRAN. So the job scope of our group members, starting with Muhammad Sharif bin Saidi, which is our leader. His task is assignments for our group, data collection for specification analysis and questionnaire design. Next, hand sketching, 3D modeling, engineering drawing, and poster design. And then me, Ammar bin Amran, doing analysis in market positioning analysis and questionnaire analysis, hand sketching, 3D modeling, engineering design, and poster design. And finally, Muhammad Amzar bin Makno, also a member of this group, doing product development, which is design concept and questionnaire analysis, hand sketching, 3D modeling, engineering design, and also poster design. So this is our Gantt chart. This is the task that we have done along 14 weeks during this learning course. So this is our Gantt chart, which we start with topic selection, and then topic discussion, data collection, product definition, basic analysis, data analysis, and define customer requirement, product development, design development, and midterm progress submission, and finally result and testing. So, the background of this project. Flood are the most common disaster in Malaysia, which is affected by seasonal monsoon floods, flash floods, and tidal floods. Flood disasters have been devastating effects on people, destroying livelihoods, destroying property and infrastructure, and killing individuals. In the most recent case, on Monday, 7 March 2022, flash flood devastated Malaysia's Klang Valley, which includes the capital, Kuala Lumpur, and towns in surrounding Selangor states. Just 3 months after devastating flooding killed hundreds of people across the country. So, in our emergency rescue kit, comes in a range of sizes and includes supplies and tools to give a survivor basic protection against the weather. So, in this project, we decided to design and create the best flood emergency rescue kit that comes with a lifesaver, survival kit, first aid kit, and meal ready to eat MRE. The lifesaver would have several types of designs, which are waist type, chest type. The lifesaver itself will be the main flotation device that can float the kit and the user and inflate using a trigger switch. We come up with this idea because most of the existing flood disaster emergency rescue kit does not come with a lifesaver. In terms of designs, we managed to design a type of backpack which extremely spacious and well-organized compartments to store all the items inside the backpack and utilize it to the maximum capability. So the problem statement. The problem statement that will affect the rescue situation and experience are: existing products are mostly focused only on storage, methods of first aid and survival kits, not providing any lifesaver for helping other victims. And then, the existing product design are lacking in durability. Why? Because the materials that are not resistant and some parts of the product that are inflexible. And then, the capacity of the rescue kit is restricted for storing some items. Therefore, first aid and survival kits are the only options. there is no extra space or storage for flotation device. So, our aim and objectives. At the end of this project, we need to achieve our objective. So, the objectives are to design a flood emergency rescue kit that can be used for rescuing other victims that drowning or stranded during the flood event. To design a high-resistant and durable emergency backpack that is long-lasting and can be used in extreme situation of disaster. And then to design a backpack with a large and more compartments that included a lifesaver or any flotation device inside it or equipped with it.
This is our example of diversification analysis that is conducted on existing products based on the information gathered through the market and online website. Based on this analysis, there are various design, size, extra features and material issues with existing products. For example, some existing products had a potential problem with their compartments and size which is too small to add extra supplies. Some of it too large and heavy to use as a flotation device, and the material used in some rescue kit is not suitable for a flood disaster, and some features such as zipper are not working well when used. It gives a chance to design a new product to solve this problem with the existing product issue. The emergency rescue kit with a backpack design was chosen for its durable design, high quality materials and feasibility in use.
Position map. This indicates the user wants a multifunction emergency rescue kit that can be used in any kind of situation, even outside of flood disaster situation. At the same time, the user mostly prefer the emergency rescue kit that have a complete design for appearance, which means that this type of rescue kit has a durable design that can withstand any situation and method of use. Next, the user choose the emergency rescue kit that has slight in size. This sort of rescue kit has a big compartment that is to load many item as we target to put extra lifesaver in the rescue kit. Next, the material used is mostly height resistant because some waterproof materials cannot be long lasting since this rescue kit will be used in extreme conditions. Questionnaire survey. The questionnaire is created using Microsoft Word then converted into a Google form so that it can be easily distributed to the target user through an online platform such as WhatsApp, social media and so on. This questionnaire contains 3 sections of questions. This includes Section A to know about respondents' basic information, Section B for asking their opinions regarding flood disaster and emergency rescue kit assistance, knowledge and experience, and Section C for user needs in terms of design and features. Based on this survey, we have obtained the customer requirement for a new type of flood emergency rescue kit. In terms of the appearance of the backpack itself, it is required to be a unique and durable design that is suitable for dynamic structure compared to the existing product currently on the market. Next, providing the inflatable waist-type bed lifesaver to rescue drowning or stranded victims are the best criteria that can be offered in our product, other than it can be used for any other activity or situation, especially when it is related to surviving on water. When it comes to rescuing an outdoor activity, we prefer our product to be high resistant, especially the material that we use, so that our product can be suitable to use in any hard conditions and critical situation. Finally, we added easy to use criteria to our product so that our user can store the items in the backpack easily and organized, as well as each of the function of the backpack can be utilized and controlled with ease.
So, the design direction. Based on the result of our analysis that we have been made, our design direction will be more specific in the design criteria as shown on the slide. The appearance, unique and durable design that is suitable for dynamic structure compared to the existing product in the market. Next, multi-purpose, providing inflatable waist belt to rescue or drowning or stranded victims. Next, it can be used for other activities or situations. Ergonomic, the frame or the shape of the backpack is suitable to be worn over a long time without having any back pain. Convenient, many compartments to ensure items are not easily cluttered. High resistant, provide high resistance material for rugged use and suitable for critical situation. And finally, easy to use. Every item in the backpack can be organized easily, and every function can be controlled easily.
KJ method. The 4 sections of the KJ method are the issue, target user, design idea and design concept. The issue with the existing emergency rescue kit were that it was mostly focused on first aid and survival kit storage methods, with no option for helping other victims. Furthermore, existing product design lacked durability due to non-resistant materials and inflexible parts. Moreover, this part is aimed at people who are part of the rescue team. The structure of the product, multifunction, material and size are the 4 factors for selecting design ideas. Using the KJ method, we finally come up with a potential design concept which is a highly resistant flood emergency rescue backpack that satisfies the user basic needs during a flood disaster. Concept selection is a decision-making process in concept design in which designer evaluate concept in terms of customer requests and designer objective. This stage includes comparing the relative strengths and weaknesses of the concept as well as identifying concept for the further exploration, testing or development. The concept with the highest width rating will be chosen as a final concept for the rescue backpack. Concept 1, Concept 4 and Concept 7 will use the CAD process to create 3D renderings and engineering drawing.
Okay, based on figure in this slide, the concept of this backpack is more to rugged look. The shoulder ergonomically designed to reduce the pressure on the spine. The rescue backpack is loaded with a series of internal pockets for organization, as well as an expandable compartment and straps to keep everything neatly contained. Moreover, it's come with 3 inflatable waist belts that is easy to use to help drowning victims. For concept 2, this concept inspired by boxless shape. Main compartment is fully padded with closed cell foam for protection. All internal pockets are held in place by Velcro and are removable. The backpack has a web carrying handle and padded contour shoulder straps, chest strap and waist strap. A false bag allows for storage of shoulder strap when not needed. At the side and the bottom of the backpack have inflatable waist belt that can help. For this concept called Super Eva because it got many pockets inside and outside of the backpack. Outside of the backpack made of high tenacity nylon thread, impregnated with water-resistant PVC tarpaulin, which prevents the decomposition of the NOOR and fabric breakage. Bottom part made of matte anti-static waterproof canvas, reinforced contours for protection against scratches and impacts in black PVC and floor protectors.
Concept 4. This emergency rescue backpack has a solid structure with a box concept. This backpack has a durable design that makes it ideal for usage in an emergency situation. Its simple and strong design makes it easier for customers to use in flood situations. The top of the bag may be opened widely to make it easier to reach the item. Furthermore, item may be placed conveniently in the bag. The inside of the backpack, which has plenty of space and separation, makes it easy for the user to reach the items and keep them organized. User will like the padded handle and shoulder as well as the metal hook that ensure the bag safety. Concept 5 is based on cocoon shape, where it is a combination of oval and rectangle shape. The concept has a spacious, well-organized space where the user may simply and quickly take the items inside the backpack. This bag frame may be opened widely. This backpack also features a sturdy and solid structure that makes it durable when used in flood emergency. The large bag area may carry a variety of items for emergency conditions and can be used to put together a lifesaver. Concept number 6 also includes a structure that resembles the back of a turtle. The front of the backpack is curved, allowing it to unzip easily and widely. It also makes it simpler to choose the items they want to use. There is enough space in the backpack for a lifesaver in case there is a drowning victim. Although it appears compact on the exterior, this backpack has plenty of space inside for items like first aid kits, emergency rope, survival kits, drinking bottles, food packs, and so on.
So in this concept, it was inspired by astronaut backpack that originally used in space to store space tools and oxygen for the astronaut. But for this design, we chose to create a rigid and strong structure for the backpack to withstand any form of impact during the flood disaster. So, in this concept design is inspired by bird wings as shown on the figure. The sketch illustrates the wing type zipper, which allows us to open the zipper and fold back to fasten it. The simple and rounded shape was designed to ensure that the backpack can be versatile. The outside of the backpack have two pockets attached to the backpack, allowing the user or consumer to easily access to store or pick their items. So for the third concept, this design is referring to the existing luggage design but with a compact and much smaller in terms of size. The zipper of the backpack is located in front of the backpack along with circular round tracks. This helps on easy and wide access to the user to open or pick the item.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amzar bin Muhammad Noor. Okay, now I will present and explain to you about our 3D rendering of our concept, which is concept 1, concept 4 and concept 7. After we finish creating a 3D model of our product, we decided to use SolidWorks Visualize to render our product. Okay, as you can see in this slide, at left side of this slide, this is a scenery rendering of concept 1, and at right side of the slide, this is an isometric view rendering for concept 1. Okay, from the scenery you can see that this is the real situation for victim, which is when they want to save themselves from flood disaster, they can take the bag and then go away saving themselves. Okay, now this is a 3D rendering for concept 4. Same goes like before. At left of the slide, this is a scenery rendering, and at the right of the slide, this is isometric 3D rendering. Okay, now this is a 3D rendering scenery of concept 7 at left side of the slide, and for the right side of the slide, this is isometric view rendering. Okay, we move to the next slide, and this is our poster design plan. At the top of the poster, we put UTEM logo, product name, and group member. At the bottom of it, we put background, concept, perspective view rendering, which is we can put to scenery rendering and isometric rendering. And next we put problem statement, objective, position map, sketching and drawing, and 3D rendering all view. Now this is our first poster design, which is concept 1, the rescue the flood emergency backpack. For this design, for this poster design, we put a few details about what items include in backpack.
Poster Concept 4. This emergency rescue backpack features a box concept and a sturdy structure. The sturdy structure of this backpack makes it perfect for use in an emergency. Customer will find it easy to use in flood situation because of its simple and strong design. Small items like flashlight, phones and power bank can be stored in the left and right side pocket of the backpack. The spacious and well organized inside the backpack make it easy for the user to access and arrange the item. An additional compartment at the bottom of the backpack can be used if two lifesavers are needed during a rescue operation. As you can see in this poster, it will provide our problem statement, objective, target market and 3D rendering. This information provided in the poster, it will help to understand more about the design concept.
Okay, for poster design concept 7, same goes like before. This is we have a perspective view, the items included in the flood disaster emergency rescue kit. In conclusion, as a group, we were successful in achieving the objective of this project, which was to design an emergency rescue kit that could be used in flood conditions. The product design and development procedures we used to finish this project are very helpful to us in achieving our objective. Questionnaire surveys are important in the product design because design process because they clarify the demands of customers when using existing products and experiencing flood disasters. We can better understand and identify our product design concept when we employ the KJ method. Furthermore, the weighted rating method helps us in selecting the best design while still satisfying the customer's requirement. And we can understand and knowing more about current products and customer demands can improve us in solving problems that arise. The objective may be met by using SolidWorks CAD software as well as industrial design tools to help finish the sketch and final design of the backpack. For design software, the team used SolidWorks to develop a CAD model of the backpack. The design may be prepared in better detail on a more regular basis with this program. That's all from me. Thank you very much.